If you like making things with your hands, if you wish you could have a job playing with Lego blocks, this is the next best thing. One of the things that I love most about my career is I can make anything. It doesn't matter what it is. If you give me the right tools, I can literally make anything that you can imagine. And I love teaching young people that if they believe that they can be anything that they want to be and that they can make anything that they can dream up, that it is possible. But I'm very, very lucky. I have 2 of my dream jobs, working at Kymeta and working at AJAC. I love being able to make anything, program anything. I love being able to teach that to other people. My name is Jason Weiss, and I started at AJAC in September of 2012, and I've taught almost every class in the machining apprenticeship. The very best way to learn something is to teach it. My students teach me just as much every class that I'm in as I teach them. What makes teaching apprentices different than teaching in a traditional classroom is that all of my students are already employed at companies that have machine shops. And in addition to that, they've been handpicked by their supervisors to attend my classes because they've been identified as future technical leaders of their respective companies. Because 95% of the apprentices' learning is done on the job, they're able to take the concepts that they learn in the classroom from me and my fellow instructors and apply them the very following day at work. I think that in order for apprentices to be able to learn, they have to have some level of confidence that they are going to be successful. And so I always try to focus on the things that my apprentices are doing well and get them to expand on those things. The value that apprenticeships add for everyone involved is that everyone is learning together. The apprentices, the instructors, the people who write the curriculum, the employers, everybody is learning together. So we're all working together to make the best opportunities for the future machinists of America that we possibly can. Teaching apprentices is a very rewarding experience, and there's many young people out there in the world that for one reason or another would not do well at a conventional 9-to-5 office job. And so I think it's important that if you've found a way to be successful in life, that you share that with the next generation. I didn't do well in high school. I left 2 weeks into my senior year with a 1.3 GPA, and I didn't see that there was a path for me to be successful in life until I found machining. And so what I hope that other people can get from my experience is, if the traditional learning experience isn't working for you, I have a place for you. Come with me. Come make anything with me.